Hi, I'm Silvia Colloca and today I'm cooking pasta with broccolini and bacon pangrattato. Delicious! But first things, we need to make the bacon pangrattato. We need some stale bread and we're just going to pop it in the food processor and blitz it. And this is the great thing about reusing stale bread. You're not being wasteful and you're repurposing it and turning it into something absolutely amazing. Perfect. This is the hard part of the recipe. Magically done by the machine. Now we're going to do the same with the bacon. Cut into small chunks. Have a quick look. Oh, that's perfect. We're going to add some of the oil, about half of this, and the pan is already quite hot, so this is a very easy job. Bacon goes in. Bread goes in, and you know this is going to be so delicious. The bacon is quite salty, but you can always do with a pinch more. It's flavor. And basically what we're looking for is an even golden tone and a crunch. Oh, perfect. Look at this. We're just going to set it aside, and then in the same pan we are going to make the base for the pasta sauce. Add your chili, again as much or as little as you can handle. Have your garlic ready. Move it around a bit. It smells so fragrant. If it burns, it gets pungent. And the only way to stop it is to add wine. And now you're just waiting for the alcohol to evaporate and for the sweet grape flavor to linger. And it'll take about 1 to 2 minutes. In the meantime, we're going to drop the pasta in the pot. We are going to drop our broccolini in the pot with the pasta. Just chop the stems and they go in first before the heads because they take a bit longer to cook. So 5 minutes into the pasta cooking time, drop in the florets as well. And now that we've added the florets, it's just a waiting game really. It'll take, depending on the pasta you're using, it'll take another 3 to 4 minutes. As a rule of thumb, if the packet says 10 minutes, your pasta is probably going to be ready around 8-9 minutes, because then you're going to pop it into this pan and toss it in this concoction and it keeps cooking. And we want it al dente. I do. Forget about using a strainer. All we want here is a slotted spoon because we want to drag along some of this beautiful pasta cooking water, which is full of starches, and they will help create a most delicious sauce. And of course you can add Parmesan cheese. I'm going just with the beautiful chili, white wine, garlic flavor, because I think that the bacon pangrattato will be enough. A kiss of olive oil and a little bit of black pepper. Ta-da! That's so good. Did you know that every year 4 million people in Australia experience food insecurity and 1/4 of them are children? If you can, donate.